If your Chrome browser search tab keeps changing to Yahoo and you feel your computer operation will be a little bit slower than before or hanging means, most probably this is a malware thing like bug. So you need to eliminate that malware or bug on your PC. First you need to detect the malware or bug. So just click Windows and click on Settings, then Update and Security, and here click Windows Security, and here click Virus and Threat Protection. Now click Scan Options. Here you need to select this full scan and click Scan Now. It's take a 1 hour time period. Then select this to Microsoft Defender Offline Scan and it takes like 15 to 20 minutes. Then if your PC contains any malware or bug, here you can delete that malware or bug. By this way you can find out your PC was infected by malware or bug. Then second, click here on the search bar and just type disk cleanup. Then open this and leave it for C drive and click OK. And here select all these things. Then click clean up system files and enter your Windows PIN. Then hit OK, delete files. Then it will delete the unnecessary and cache files. Now third, then click the search bar and type control panel and open this and click on uninstall a program, and here you can see the Google Chrome. Under publisher, place your cursor and right click here, then you can see the uninstall. Click that and enter your Microsoft PIN, then it will be uninstalled from your PC. Now open any browser, Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer. Just open any browser and type Google Chrome. Scroll down, then open the first link, then click download. Now here you can see Google Chrome was downloading right now. I just open and install the Google Chrome. Now again open Google Chrome and click these three dots and scroll down and open settings, search engine. Here make sure it's acted to Google, and here also Google selected as default. After this, most probably Yahoo search will not be appear. If still Yahoo keeps coming means you need to wipe your data and reinstall the Windows OS. That's the only thing. If you want to know how to do that means please give a comment. I will make a video about that.